Alright everyone, welcome to Sour Horsepower, and today we're going to be going over some of the things that I have purchased in order to prepare ourselves for the upcoming race season. So, as you may know, we take the Hellcat Redeye racing a lot. Plan to do so even more coming up this year. But had to get a couple of things squared away to make it easier on myself for when we go to the track. So not only are we going to the track for test and tunes among things like that, but there's a couple of particular, I guess, series that I want to compete in this year. So the first one is going to be the Modern Street Hemi Shootout. Now, obviously we're not going to be able to make all the events because they're all over the country, but we're going to try and make most of the East Coast ones. Not sure exactly which ones yet. Got to go through the whole schedule, see how everything works out. But the other series that I wanted to compete in this year is the Strange Engineering Streetcar Shootout at our home track here in Maryland, Cecil County Dragway. So every month, there's one weekend a month, they have an event, the Strange Engineering Shootout. So basically like bracket racing, index racing, and all that stuff. So every event you attend, the further you go, the more points you get. At the end of the year, there's a champion. So I haven't decided what class we're probably going to run. Most likely going to be the bracket class just for this year because we don't have the Hellcat Redeye set up to run a specific index class yet. So going forward, I think one thing that I want to do is maybe get the car tuned to try and run a 10.0 class. So this car, as you guys might know, mostly runs in the good weather right now, 10.1s to, well, we actually haven't ran a 10.2, but I'm assuming it would run 10.1 to 10.2 in good weather. But as the summer comes in, the weather starts heating up, the car does tend to slow down. So most of the time during the summer, we were a 10.3 to 10.4. So running a 10.3 to 10.4 is not going to be fast enough for a 10.0 index class. So our best bet to try and fix that is to probably get the car tuned. I don't think we're going to have to do any major modifications to the car. I'm hoping a simple tune and maybe running a fuel mixture will get us right to that 10.0 number, because I want to be able to run 10.0s like in the middle of the summer. So that way when we're competing at these events, I don't have to worry about doing anything. So that's kind of our future outlook for the racing plans for the Redeye at this moment. All subject to change going forward. Who knows? I might get the itch to want to turn the car up and run some 9s. We'll see what happens when we cross that bridge. But for now, a couple of things that I want to go over that we've bought just to help this race season get better, or be easier, I guess I should say. So number one, you guys know all about the truck, right? I'm going to flip the camera around here real quick. So it's nighttime, obviously. As you can see, no truck yet. So, truck will be here soon. It should be here this week. Oh, hello, there's a fox or a cat. Was that a fox? I think it might be a cat. Hold on, let's see if we can get this flashlight. Oh, it's running away. No, come back. Probably can't see it. I think it's a cat. Either way. So the truck will be here this week. Hopefully. It's because the first event is this coming weekend. So the truck is in Maryland, is what I've been told. We're waiting. It's at the port or the train yard or somewhere. It just needs to go from there to the dealership for me to pick it up. I'm hoping it's Monday right now, so I'm hoping either Tuesday or Wednesday, preferably one of those 2 days, to get the truck, because I did purchase a trailer this past weekend. So I did get an open car hauler, 18-foot trailer. You guys will see that when I do eventually bring it back to the house, which I'm hoping will be the following day after I get the truck. So if I pick the truck up Tuesday or Wednesday, then probably Thursday we'll get the trailer, and then Saturday, Sunday we go racing. So Saturday is the first test and tune at Cecil County Dragway. I haven't decided what I'm going to do Sunday yet. So on Sunday there's two options we could go. Sunday, Cecil County Dragway has a event. I think it's just like a street grudge racing thing. Not too sure exactly what that's going to involve yet. Probably some sort of bracket racing or something. But then there's a test and tune at MIR on Sunday as well. So I haven't decided if I want to go to Cecil and compete on Sunday or go do another test and tune at MIR on Sunday. So I haven't decided yet. I know some of our buddies, like you've seen on the channel before, Modern Red Hemi, SRT Bone, some of those guys are going down to MIR, supposedly for the test and tune. So probably going to link up with them, see what they're going to do. That might help me swing my decision a little bit. But yeah, the weather's looking good for the weekend too. So both days we're looking high 40s. So it should be good for making some real quick passes. Maybe get that elusive 10-0 out of this car here. So we talked about the truck, talked about the trailer. When the trailer gets here, I'll show you guys the trailer. But I got a couple things to help with the trailer process. So in these boxes right here, I have race ramps. I'll open those up here, but then we also got some new straps. So the cool thing I like about these straps, let's see if you can see here, they have the, I'll get you in the light, they have the flat hook design. So that will help with the making it slightly more secure on the trailer when we're putting these down. They're actually wheel nets, they're not like tire straps or anything. So when we actually go to strap the car down on the trailer for, I guess we'll probably do a Saturday morning. I'll film it, I'll show you guys what they look like, and then at that time I'll go ahead and put the part numbers and all that stuff in the description so you guys can see what they are. But let's go ahead and get these race ramps unboxed so I can show you what I bought. Alright, so got them open up. As you can see here, stronger, lighter, safer race ramps. There's no other brand of ramps to trust. Here's a little book. There's some information in here, so put that down. So basically what we got here, these are 4-inch ramps. So as you can see here to demonstrate, there's a 2-inch lip right here. The ramps from your trailer come and sit right here on this lip, and then this leading edge goes up to, basically leads onto the ramp. So what that will do is it gives you a 4-inch lift on your car to decrease the approach angle for when you're loading the car on the trailer, to help prevent scraping this lip, because I don't know if you can see, maybe not with the light, we kind of nicked this bottom edge of this splitter up last year using those U-Haul trailers, which really aren't meant for cars like the Hellcat Redeye. So we got the ramps, we got the new straps, we got the truck, we got the trailer, and we still have the same car. So hopefully it's going to be a good year of racing. I tried to get everything in-house now, no running the U-Haul the night before a race event, hoping the trailer's there, hoping they haven't overbooked it. No rushing to get the trailer back in time so I don't get charged overage fees. Now I'm in control of the whole process. I have the car, I have the truck, I have the trailer, I have the wheels, same race wheels from last year downstairs, same tires. We're going to run the same combo that we did last year. The tires still have plenty of life left on them, surprisingly. So even though I don't even know how many passes we made, probably, if I had to guess, 75 passes last year. So they still have some good life left on them. So yeah, I'm excited to get this race season going. Our last race with the car was at the beginning of December. Well, last test and tune was at the beginning of December. So we're coming up on, what's that, 3 months of, really, this car hasn't been driven at all. I drove it once to go see Modern Red Hemi back in January. And I think that's probably been it. Other than that, it's literally been sitting here for the better part of 3 months. So yeah, I'm excited to get the car back on the road, excited to get back to racing, excited to try and maybe win a championship or two in some of those event series. But yeah, if you guys have any other suggestions of things I might need to help make my life easier going to the track, that'd be greatly appreciated. Because like I said, we do plan on traveling a lot more this year. Not just staying in Maryland, maybe going down to North Carolina, Michigan, Tennessee, Kentucky. I know that the Modern Street Hemi Shootout, they have events kind of all over the place. So we're going to map it all out. We're going to put the calendars together, see how many we can hit. And then we're also planning on taking the Abarth out to some road courses and stuff. Obviously, we're going to take it to the drag strip to the drag strip as well, just to see how slow it is, honestly. Because we want to do a baseline on this stock and then we're going to tune it and do a whole bunch of mods to that. So stay tuned for that. But unfortunately, Charger should be going this week. I've been saying it for probably about 2 months now. Should be going this week. Going to miss it, but the truck should be pretty epic. So if you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and drop a like on this video. If you want to see more of the upcoming racing we have going on with this, or the Fiat, or the new truck, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. We're closing in on 1,000 subs. Giveaway coming, or giveaway announcement coming soon once we get a little bit closer to 1,000. So yeah, that's going to be it. Take care. Have a great day.